We're making music, we're making music, we're making music today.
I'm Emily Tech, and I'm your instructor for Prepare to Rock, a music specialist's guide to curriculum and instruction. I've been in Jewish music for my entire life. I started off as a song leader, I did the camp thing, the youth group thing, and for about the past 10 years, I've been working in a whole lot of different Jewish environments, synagogues, preschools, day schools, religious schools as a music specialist. And it's a job that I love, but it's a job that's really, really difficult. It's highly skilled work, and I don't think the Jewish community has quite recognized the level of expertise that is required for somebody to really excel in this position. This course is designed to help you get a 101 on some of the things that are the most pertinent to your work to make you feel better, do better, and be more efficient. From where I sit, there's at least 3 major areas where you need to have knowledge, and balance your expertise. And they're not little areas. One is teaching. So that's pedagogy and classroom management and developmentally appropriate practices and lesson planning and learning theory and child development. That's a giant category of information. The next category is Judaism, values, holiday, language, culture. Again, just so expansive, the amount of information that's in that category. And then finally, music, instrumental proficiency, vocal skills, theory, song leading, performance. There's so much that can inform your practice that hopefully in the next 4 weeks in this next course, I'll be able to deliver some really targeted information and also guide you as you look at your own set of skills and try to figure out what some of the most potent opportunities for growth are for you. And also to think about your job and the role that you play in your community, whether you're a preschool teacher or a day school teacher or a service leader or anything. There's a lot of different ways to be in this capacity as a music specialist in a Jewish educational environment, and try to articulate it so that we can set some goals and also make some plans to assess those goals. Because setting goals and assessing your ability to meet those goals and then identifying the challenges that you might have faced is how we get better from year to year. So, I'm Emily. You can reach out to me at any time on email, eateck@graz.edu, and we can Skype or we can FaceTime or we can Facebook. If there's ever anything that's really difficult or concerning you throughout this whole course process, please make sure to get a hold of me, and I look forward to learning. Ciao.